Hello students, welcome to the next session on royalty account, that is sublease. Previous session we discussed some problems regarding royalty accounts. So in this session also we want to that another problem in royalty account based on sublease. Salman obtained a lease from Amir to work a mine. So Salman Amir ಇಂದ lease ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನ. The term being a royalty of rupees 10 per ton. So ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲಿ 10 per ton ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 1 lakh per annum. ಸೊ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದು 1 lakh per annum. They are being granted to the lease of right to recoup short working over the first 4 years of the lease. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 years ಆಫ್ ಲೀಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ರೀಕೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೋ ರೀಕೂಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಸಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಟು ಶಾರುಖ್. ಶಾರುಖ್ ಅವರು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿನ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ rupees 12 per ton ಮರ್ಜಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 30,000 per annum. ಸೊ 12 per ton ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 30,000 per annum ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸಬ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ರೀಕೂಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ 2 years ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ರೀಕೂಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆದ 2 ವರ್ಷದೊಳಗಡೆ ರೀಕೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The lease and sublease for 5 years only, 5 years ಇದೆ. The production are as follows here. So liquid ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, make it as that is Salman and Shahrukh. Salman, Shahrukh and total. So first year 5,000, 1,000, total 6,000 extract ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Second year 6,500 and 2,000, 8,500 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Third year 9,000 and 3,500, 12,500 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Fourth year 9,800 and 6,200, 16,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And fifth year 10,000 and 6,500, total 16,500. So prepare ledger account in the books of Salman ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. First one is table showing the royalty payable to landlord. That is ಅಮೀರ್ಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. So here actual royalty, minimum rent, short working recouped, payable, irrecoverable, short working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So first year 6,000 into 10 rupees 60,000 ಆಯ್ತು. Minimum rent 1 lakh. So there is a short working of 40,000. So amount payable is 1 lakh. Second year 8,500 tons into 10 rupees and 85,000 ಆಯ್ತು. Minimum rent ಬಂದು 1 lakh ಆಯ್ತು. There is a short working of 15,000. Amount payable is 1 lakh. And second year 12,500 tons into 10, 1,25,000. The minimum rent is 1 lakh. So there is a short working recoupment of 25,000 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ excess royalty ಇದೆ 25,000. So total ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 55 ಇದೆ, ಏನೋ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 25 ನಾವು ರಿಕೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದೀವಿ 1 lakh. ಅಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ 16,000 into 10 rupees ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1,60,000. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 lakh. ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಆಫ್ 60,000. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 55,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 25,000 ರಿಕೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ 30,000 ಮಾತ್ರ ರಿಕೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 30,000 ರಿಕೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 1,30,000 ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಇಯರ್ 16,500 tons into 10 rupees, 1,65,000. Minimum rent is 1 lakh. No short working, no recoupment. So amount payable is 1,65,000. That is regarding table showing royalty payable to Amir. And table showing royalty receivable from sublessee, that is from Shahrukh. So first year 10,000 tons, 1,000 tons. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಪೂವರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಶಾರುಖ್ 1,000, 2,000, 3,500, 6,200 and 6,500 into 12 per ton ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 12,000 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್ 30,000. ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ 18,000, ಬಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ 30,000. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ 24,000 tons, 24,000 rupees, but minimum rent is 30,000. There is a short working of 6,000. Amount payable is 30,000. And third year 42,000. Minimum rent is 30,000. So there is an excess royalty of 12,000. But first year ಅಲ್ಲಿ 18,000 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 12,000 ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ರಿಕೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಬಲ್ ಇಸ್ 30,000. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 6,000 ಇರ್ರೆಕವರಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. And fourth year 74,400 rupees is the royalty. Minimum rent is 30,000. There is an excess royalty of 44,400. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ರಿಕೂಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 6,000 ರಿಕೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 68,400 ನಾನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Fifth year 78,000. Minimum rent is 30,000. No short working, no recoupment. Total payment is 78. What are that in the books of that is ಶಾರುಖ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಾರುಖ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಾರಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇನ್ ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಲ್ಮಾನ್, ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಪೇಯಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಡೇಟ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಟು ಅಮೀರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿನ ಅಮೀರ್ಗೆ 60,000. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 60,000 from royalty receivable account is 10,000 and by profit and loss account 50,000. Second year to Amir account 85,000. Out of that royalty receivable account 20,000, profit and loss account 25,000. And third year to Amir account then 1 lakh. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ excess amount ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ರಿಕೂಪ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 25,000. Out of 1,25,000 received through royalty receivable account 35,000 and profit and loss account 90,000. Again fourth year ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ 1,60,000 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು 1,60,000 ಅಮೀರ್ಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದು 1,30,000 ಅಂಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ 30,000 ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1,60,000 ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಟು ರಾಯಲ್ಟಿ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ 62,000 and profit and loss account 98,000. In the fifth year, payment made to royalty of Amir account 1,65,000. Out of that 1,65,000 received to royalty receivable account 65,000 and profit and loss account 1 lakh. Short working account, the short working is being paid to Amir account 40,000 first year, no recoupment, so that will be carried down and brought down to next year to balance brought down 5,000. And second year to Amir account 15,000 short working, so no recoupment, by balance carried down and brought down to third year by balance brought down 55,000. In third year there is a excess royalty. So out of that excess royalty 30,000 rupees is used for recoupment by royalty payable account 30,000. So remaining 25,000 is carried down and brought down to next year, fourth year, to balance brought down 30,000. This 30,000 will be recouped on fourth year by royalty payable account 30,000. So like that we should prepare short working account. Next one is Amir's account. The payment made through bank, first year to bank account 1 lakh. Out of that royalty payable account 60,000 and short working account 40,000. In second year to bank account 1 lakh. Out of that 1 lakh royalty payable 85,000 and short working 15,000. Third year to bank account 1 lakh. This 1 lakh is entirely payment through royalty payable account 1 lakh. Fourth year 1,30,000. This 1,30,000 entirely payable through royalty payable account 1 lakh. Fifth year to bank account 1,65,000. Entire 1,65,000 is payable to pay through royalty payable account 1,60,000. The next one is the royalty receivable account. So royalty received from Shahrukh. So that's why in credit side is entered as by Shahrukh account. First year by Shahrukh account 12,000. Out of the 12,000, that will 10,000 is transferred to royalty payable account. Royalty payable account 10,000. Remaining 2,000 is transferred to profit and loss. Again second year royalty received by Shahrukh account 24,000. Out of 24,000, 20,000 is transferred to royalty payable account. To royalty payable account 20,000. Remaining 4,000 is to profit and loss account. In third year, the royalty received from Shahrukh is 30,000 and remaining 12,000 used for short working allowable account 12,000. Out of which 35,000 is transferred to royalty payable account. To royalty payable account 35,000. Remaining 7,000 is transferred to profit and loss account. Again fourth year, the royalty received from Shahrukh is 68,400 and 6,000 remaining 6,000 is allowed for short working allowable account 6,000. Out of that 62,000 is transferred to royalty payable account. To royalty payable account 1,000. Remaining 12,400 to profit and loss account. In the fifth year, the royalty received from Shahrukh is 78,000. Out of that 78,000, 65,000 is transferred to royalty payable account. Remaining 13,000 is transferred to profit and loss. Short working allowable account. So here that make it as Mr. Shahrukh. First year by Shahrukh account 18,000, that will be carried down and brought down to next year. Again second year there is a short working by Shahrukh account 6,000, that will be carried on and brought down to next year, that is third year 24,000. After 24,000 in a third year there is an excess royalty of 12,000 to royalty receivable account 12,000. And then there is an irrecoverable short working, that 6,000 short working of 6,000, that will be transferred to profit and loss account. Remaining 6,000 be carried on and brought down to fourth year by balance brought down 6,000. That 6,000 it will be recoverable on fourth year to royalty receivable account 6,000. And the last one is a Shark account, date particulars amount received through bank first year by bank account 30,000, out of the 30,000 royalty receivable account 12,000 and short working account 18,000. Second year received through bank 30,000, out of 30,000 royalty receivable 24 and short working liable 6,000. In third year royalty received is 30,000. That 30,000 received through royalty receivable account. In fourth year received from bank is 68,400. That will be entire 68,400 to royalty receivable account. And fifth year by bank account 78,000. That 78,000 received to royalty receivable account 8. So that you should have necessary ledger account in the books of Mr. Salman. Thank you for watching this video.